ठीक. Dear students, good morning. Today again I am with a new question from our topic linear equation in one variable. So I already done 4 questions for you, and this is the last one from this topic. So students, first of all we read the question and then we have to solve it. So question is, if sum of 5 continuous multiples of 6 is 2040, find the biggest multiple. It means there are 5 continuous multiples. So let us see what are the multiples. You have to find 6 into 1. It means 6. 6 into 2 you will get 12. 6 into 3 you will get 18. Like this you will get up to 5. So 6 is common with all the numbers we are multiplying. That is, with 1 we are getting 6. This is the first multiple, this is the second multiple, this is the third multiple, and like this you can get 24 and 30. These are the 5 continuous multiples of 6 in a simple way, but we don't know which 5 are there. You can calculate up to infinity, means many. So there is no end of these multiples. Okay, but we have to find only 5, but that 5 are where we don't know. For that let me assume as x. Okay, so first multiple, let first multiple be what? That will be 6 into not 1, because it may be at any place, not 1, not 2, not 3. So we multiply with x, it will be 6x. Okay, so the second number, how we get? That is second, 6 bracket x plus 1. We add 1, 2, 3 in this. Okay, like this. Third will be 6 bracket x plus 2. We add 1. Okay, next one will be 6 plus 3, and like this 6x plus 4. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 multiples of 6 that we don't know from where these are taken. So students, according to question, the sum of all these multiple is 2040. Okay, according to question, the question is saying that the sum of all these 5 continuous, there is no and not any other number in between these multiples. So 6x plus, second one is x plus 1, and other one is 6 bracket x plus 2. Next one is 6 bracket x plus 3, and next one is 6 bracket x plus 4, and the sum of all these multiples is 2040. Okay, so students, let us add. How we can add? This 6x remains 6x. Now first of all open the bracket. This 6x and this 6 get multiplied with this, so it will be 6x plus 6. Similarly here we multiply 6x plus 12, 6 to the 12. Here 6x plus 6 3 is 18, and 6x plus 6 4 is 24. It will be 2040. Okay, now I will add all the numbers with variable x. This 6x and this 6x, this 6x, this 6x, and this. How many 6x's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. 6 5 is 30. 30x. How many x are there? 30x. And numbers, that is 6 plus 12, 18, and 18, how much? 36. 36 plus 20, 56, and 4, it will be 60. How much? It will be 60, and it is equal to 2040. We have to find the value of x here first. 30x equal to 2040 minus 60. The 60 goes that side of equal to, it become minus. Okay, I have to remove some of the part of the question, that is, oh, now we continue, that is 30x equal to how much? I will subtract 0, it will be 0, and from 4 we can't subtract the 6, so I will take a carry, it will carry go first there, so it will be 10, and from here I will take it, it will be 9 and it is 14. 14 minus 6, how much? 8. Okay, here it will be 9, and from here I already taken 1 carry, so it will be 1980. Okay, so students, we have to find the value of x, 1980, and this 30 will go down in division. Now you can cut this 0 and divide 198 by 3. You will get the value of x. For this, here divide 198 by 3. 3 6 ja 18. Now subtract, you will carry this 8 here, 3 6 ja 18, and subtract, you will get 0. So it is completely divisible by 3. X equal to 66. This is the value of x, not the multiple. But now we have to find the biggest multiple. The question was that we have to find the biggest multiple. For that, what were our multiples? First multiple was, multiple of 6 was equal to how much? 6x. It was 6x. So 6 into, in place of x, 66. Okay, 6 6 ja 36. Carry 3, 6 6 ja 36, and 3 39. It will be the smallest out of these, out of the 5 multiples which were asked. So the biggest one, biggest multiple of 6 equal to, it was how much? 6 bracket x plus 4. This was. So I will keep the value of x here, that is 66. 66 plus 4, how much? It will be 6 into 70. Okay, I add this 66 plus 4. Now 6 7 ja 42. It will be 420. 420 will be our answer. Student, this is the biggest multiple of 6 out of that 5 multiples. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe the video and like it. Thank you very much for watching the video.